Hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode. And in today's video I'm really excited guys, because what we'll be looking into is how you can get to maneuver on roundabouts, and I'm here to take you through practically to show you the right way for you to go around a roundabout. So I'll just request you guys, if you're new to this channel, just consider hitting the subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell, so that each and every time guys I'm dropping a new video like this one, you always be notified, and so that we can get to move together, we can get to move forward together. So for that reason guys, let's just dive in right into it, and I get to show you the right way for you to go through this roundabout. So we have two, so we'll be going towards that one, then we'll be coming back to the other one right here. So guys, stay tuned, and guys, don't forget, kindly just hit the subscribe button, since I would really appreciate. I want to first of all go to we start with this other one right here. So guys, pay attention, as you always have to give room, or to give priority to the car which is on the right side. So for instance, like a situation like here, you have first of all to make sure that you get to stop. You stop and give way to the car which is coming on the right side. For this case, you can see there's a motorbike coming on that side. You can see that's an individual who is going on the wrong way. For this case, you see that one, the car behind me has to give me priority, because you always, the car with the first priority is the car which is already on the roundabout. So we also have another one right there. So let me just go ahead, we go through that one to make sure guys that you get to understand. You have always to give priority, you give priority. You can see how people are driving nowadays. They are driving in a very wrong way. So let's see uh, whether you're going to get a car which is right now it's early in the morning. That's the reason why you can see there isn't so many cars in the road. So let's just look into these other ones. So first of all, you have to look and make sure if if there is any car which has already is already on the roundabout. That's the car that you get to give priority to. You can see like that matatu, you can see it just went straight. Like for this case guys, right now, because we don't have any car coming on the right, it will be comfortable for us now to just take that turn. So you can see people, they're really, you can't imagine how people they are driving around here guys. But all in all, it's normally said, if you are on the road guys, you are the one to